Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to solve some problems related to states of matter lesson. First question, a mixture of dihydrogen and dihydrogen at 1 barometric pressure contains 20% by weight of dihydrogen. Calculate the partial pressure of dihydrogen. This is the question given. What are the things given here? Mass of hydrogen is equal to 20%. Total mass is equal to hydrogen plus oxygen mixture is equal to 100. Suppose mass of hydrogen is equal to 20 grams. Then therefore total mass of hydrogen oxygen mixture is equal to 100 grams. Therefore mass of oxygen is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 grams. So 20% means always it is present at 100. So if two components present, one is 20%, remaining we want to know means we have to minus with 100, we will get the remaining because totally 100% only available. Now we are going to molar mass. Molar mass of hydrogen is equal to 2. Molar mass of oxygen is equal to 32. So these are the terms we want. I have explained. Next, to find the here, calculate the partial pressure. First, partial pressure. To find partial pressure, we can use the formula. Partial pressure is equal to mole fraction into P total. That's the formula we used in the Dalton's law of partial pressure. Here also we apply. For finding the molar pressure, we used to find the number of moles. Number of moles of hydrogen is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass. What is the given mass here? 20. What is the molar mass? 2. Therefore 10. 10 is the moles. 10 moles. Next one is number of moles of oxygen. Number of moles of oxygen is equal to given mass is 80. Molar mass is 32. 80, 32. 2 times 64, 6, 1. 5 times 160, 0. So 2.5 percentage. So 2.5 moles, right? So these are the number moles. Then total number of moles. Total number of moles equals to N1 plus N2, which is equal to 10 plus 2.5 equal to 12.5 moles. Mole fraction. Mole fraction is equal to what is the thing they are called? Dihydrogen only they ask. So mole fraction of hydrogen is equal to N by N1 plus N2. Therefore 10 by 12.5. This is the mole fraction. It will give the value of 0.8. Next, partial pressure of hydrogen is equal to mole fraction x1 into here mole fraction x1 into P total. Here x1 is 0.8. P total is 1. What is the pressure here? 1 barometric pressure. Therefore 0.8 BR. This is the answer for this question. Step by step I will explain. A mixture of dihydrogen and dioxygen at 1 barometric pressure contains 20% weight of dihydrogen. Calculate the partial pressure of dihydrogen. Given the mass of hydrogen is 20% given. Suppose hydrogen is equal to 20 gram. Because 20% means out of 100, 20% means 20 grams. Here total mass is equal to hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to 100 gram. So mass of oxygen is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 gram. So now we find out the mass of hydrogen and the mass of oxygen. Molar mass of hydrogen we know that 2 gram and 2 gram per mole, 32 gram per mole, right? Molar mass of oxygen is equal to 32 gram per mole. Number of moles of hydrogen is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass is 20 gram. We know that molar mass is 2 gram. So 10 moles. Here gram per mole. Gram cancel. Here gram per mole. Gram cancel. So you get the answer of number of moles of oxygen is 2.5 moles. Hydrogen is 10 moles. So total number of moles N1 plus N2 is equal to 12.5 moles. Mole fraction of hydrogen is equal to number of moles of solute divided by now total number of moles in the solution that we learned in the first chapter. So here solute is hydrogen. So N1 by N1 plus N2 10 by 12.5 which gives a 0.8 is the answer mole fraction. Then partial pressure of hydrogen is equal to mole fraction to P total. P total already given in the question at 1 barometric pressure. Therefore, the answer is 0.8 barometric. The second question is, what will be the pressure of the gaseous mixture when 0.5 liter of hydrogen at 0.8 barometric and 2 liter of dioxygen at 0.7 barometric are introduced in a 1 liter vessel at 27 degrees Celsius. Temperature should be constant. So this is temperature constant means we have to apply the Boyle's law. Now I am going to tell P1. What is P1? P1 is equal to given terms. To find the total pressure. Here we are going to find the total pressure because what will be the pressure of the gaseous mixture they are asking. So total pressure of the mixture of the gaseous mixture. Given P1 is equal to partial pressure. First we have to find the partial pressure of hydrogen. P1 is equal to 0.8 bar. V1 is equal to 0.5 liter. P2 we want to find. V2 is equal to, because the V2 the volume of the container. V2 is the volume of the container, 1 liter. The cylinder carries 1 liter. This is O2 and this is H2 mixture. So cylinder volume is 1 liter is called V2. According to Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P2 is equal to P1 V1 by P2. That we already know using Boyle's law here. Boyle's law, according to Boyle's law. Because the temperature is a constant and the number of moles also constant here. Therefore, we are using the Boyle's law. What is this? P1 is equal to 0.8 into what is P2? V1 0.5. What is V2? 1. Therefore, it is 0.4 bar. This is the partial pressure of pH2 is equal to 0.4 bar. Next, we are going to find the partial pressure of oxygen. Partial pressure of O2. O2. Partial pressure of O2. P1 is equal to 0.7 bar. V1 is equal to 2 liter here. Mentioned here. P2 we want to know. V2 1 liter volume of the cylinder, right? Now I am going to find the partial pressure of oxygen. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. In that P2 is equal to P1 V1 by V2 is equal to substituting the values 0.7 into V1 2 divided by 2 liter 1 liter 0.7 bar, right? Liter cancel is equal to 1.4 bar. So P total is equal to pH2 plus PO2, which is equal to 0.4 bar plus 1.4 bar is equal to 1.8 bar. Answer is equal to 1.8 bar. This is the total pressure of the mixture. Total pressure P total is equal to 1.8 bar. So now we have find out. So very simple method. First read the question carefully. What will be the pressure of the gaseous mixture of 0.5 liter of hydrogen at this pressure and 2 liter of dioxide at this pressure? Like that they are asking, and the total volume of the cylinder is 1 liter. This will be taken as V2 for both the gases, and the temperature is constant, number of moles also constant, so that we can use the Boyle's law. So this is the clue of finding the formula. To find the total pressure of the gaseous mixture, given partial pressure of H2 is equal to P1 given, V1 given, V2 given. P1 is equal to 0.8 bar, V1 is equal to 0.5 liter, and P2 don't know, V2 is equal to 1 liter. So we substitute and simplify. The formula is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to a constant. So we have to mention P1 V1 by V2 is equal to P2. Substituting the value, getting 0.4 barometric is the answer. Next, partial pressure of O2. P1 is equal to 0.7 bar, V1 is equal to 2 liter, P2 don't know, V2 is equal to 1 liter. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P total then simplifying here, P2 is equal to P1 V1 by V2. Substituting values, you get the partial pressure of oxygen is 1.4 barometric. For P total is equal to, applying Dalton's law of partial pressure, P total is equal to partial pressure of hydrogen plus partial pressure of oxygen. Already we find it, substituting the value, simply add, we get the answer. Thank you, students.